Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Stripe payment pages with Webflow Checkout detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Stripe payment pages with Webflow Checkout, start by logging into your Webflow account. Select the project you want to work on. In the left sidebar, click on the Pages tab. Locate the page where you want to add the checkout. Open the page settings by clicking on the gear icon. Scroll down to the Custom Code section. Here, you'll need to add your Stripe integration code. Switch to your Stripe dashboard in another tab. Navigate to the Developers section. Select API keys to find your publishable key. Copy this key for later use. Return to your Webflow project. In the Custom Code section, paste your Stripe publishable key within a script tag. Make sure to include the required stripe.js library. You can find this in the Stripe documentation. After including the library, add a form element to your Webflow page. This will serve as your payment form. In the form, create input fields for card details. This includes fields for card number, expiration date, and CVC. Also, include a button for submission. Set this button to trigger the Stripe checkout process. Now, go back to the Stripe dashboard. Locate the Checkout section under Products. Create a checkout session to handle your desired payment flow. Copy the session ID generated by Stripe. Return to Webflow. In the form submission logic, use the Stripe session ID to process the payment. Make sure to handle errors appropriately in your code. You may want to add success and error messages for user feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.